Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial I will show you a very simple and practical method to export coordinates from Microsoft Excel into AutoCAD. This is very useful when you have survey points, measured data, or any kind of XYZ coordinates that you want to plot quickly without typing each point manually. So first of all, I will go to Microsoft Excel. Here I need to write down the coordinates in this format: a, b, c or x, y, z. So for this we have a command called concatenate. I will go to here formulas and then insert function, and then I will change this category to text, and also I will set this function concatenate and I will select OK. So here in this input, I will select this one, this A2 cell, and here I will write down comma, and in this text 3 input, I will choose this one, B2, then again comma, and here I will choose this one, C2, and I will select OK. And now I will drag this formula to here. So basically we have to export these coordinates in AutoCAD in this format. So let's go to AutoCAD. Here you can see that I am using AutoCAD 2021, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So I will start by a simple drawing. And I will put off these grids, and here I am using drafting and annotation workspace. Okay. So first of all, I will go to here draw, and then I will choose this option multiple points because I have multiple coordinates, and in the command line I have to paste those coordinates. So I will go to Excel again and I will copy these coordinates. And I will go to here AutoCAD and I will paste it. Right click and then paste. And I will press escape to exit this command. I will write Z, enter, and E, enter, which is zoom extent. And still I cannot see the points, so I have to change the point style. I will write PTYPE. And here you can see different point styles. Currently it is this one, this dot. I will change it to this point style. I will change this point size to 1. And I will change this option to this one, set size in absolute units. And I will select OK. Now these points will be clear and visible. Now you can see those points that you have just exported from Excel, and because it is ABC or XYZ, so I have to change it from 2D to 3D, and now you can see those points in isometric. So let's join these points. This is a simple cuboid. Let's change the line weight to 0. Let's say 5, and I will put on this one line weight, and you can change the color to, let's say, this one. Okay, so that's how you can export coordinates from Microsoft Excel to AutoCAD. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics like engineering drawing, FEA, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.